In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate DocuSign with Microsoft Teams through Chrome. By following these instructions, you'll be able to efficiently manage your documents, send and sign them, and keep track of everything without leaving the Teams environment. To begin with, make sure you open Google Chrome and log into your Microsoft Teams account. If you haven't logged in before, simply enter your credentials and then you're set to dive into the world of integrated document management. Once you're in Microsoft Teams, your next step is to head over to the Teams App Store. To do this, look for the apps icon on the left-hand menu. It looks like a small square grid. Clicking on this will take you to the App Store, which is your gateway to a variety of tools that can enhance how you collaborate and communicate with your team. In the search bar located at the top of the App Store, type in DocuSign and press enter. You'll see the DocuSign app appear in the search results ready for you to explore. DocuSign is a trusted name in electronic signatures and document management, making it an excellent addition to your team's setup. Go ahead and install the DocuSign app by clicking on the install button. During this installation process, you'll be prompted to authorize access. This step is crucial as it allows DocuSign to integrate smoothly with Teams, providing you with all of its convenient features without the need for additional logins or configurations. Once the app is installed, you can begin using it immediately within Teams to send, sign, and track documents. One of the great advantages of this integration is how it simplifies the document workflow. Whether you need to send out an agreement for signing or track the progress of documents, DocuSign provides you with the necessary tools right at your fingertips. What makes this even more efficient is the ability to receive notifications and manage your document envelopes directly from within your team's channels. This means you don't have to constantly switch between different applications or log in and out of various systems. Only by staying within Teams can you stay updated on document statuses, prompting you to take action right when it's needed. As you get familiar with using DocuSign in Teams, you'll find that the notifications and envelope management options help keep everyone informed and accountable. It's a streamlined approach that saves time and helps ensure nothing slips through the cracks. That wraps up our guide on integrating DocuSign with Microsoft Teams. With this setup, you'll enhance your productivity and ensure your document workflows are as efficient as possible. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy e-signing.